crochet wear. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this super cute look using crochet hair from YGWigs. So this is the 18-inch Kinky straight double strand feather crochet hair. Yes, feather crochet hair. And I can absolutely say with 100% confidence, I am obsessed with feather hair now. I have done body wave, I've done like the kinky curly, I've done like the tight curl. Now this kinky straight, she is giving texture, she is giving body, she's giving length, she's giving everything. Let me give you a 360 and then we'll get into this tutorial. This hair is absolutely beautiful. Like YGWigs, you did your big one with this one. This is 4 packs of the hair. I used all 4 packs. I'm absolutely obsessed. The install was super quick. It took about 2.5 hours to do a quick braid down. And it is definitely a quick braid down. I did a couple of small braids in the front, 10 to 12. I'll show you the braid pattern. And then I did one going across like a bridge braid. And then I did like 4 to 5 big braids in the back. Super quick, easy braid down, super quick, easy install. I did use all 4 packs for this look. I did use my wavy top flat iron on the hair. So I finally got my hands on the viral Wavy Talk Airflow Hair Styler. This is a 2-in-1 hair straightener and hair curler. It has a 30-second heat up time, LED display, ceramic plates, and it also auto shuts off after 60 minutes. Now I have it on 390 because this was my first time trying it. And do you see what it is doing to this kinky straight hair? It's definitely doing its thing. So the temperature starts at 280 and you can go all the way up to 430 depending on your hair. And because of the airflow, it stays cool to the touch, which helps to prevent damage to your hair. This Wavy Talk Airflow Hair Styler is definitely a must-have. I wasn't trying to get it completely straight, just getting out the crinkles a little bit. So, you know, this kinky straight hair comes with the crinkles and you can still see a little bit of the crinkle. But the Wavy Talk did straighten it out. I'll leave the link to that Wavy Talk in the description box as well as this hair. So make sure that you check it out. But let's get into this tutorial. Gotten this far in the video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? It is free to do. Also hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my uploads. I do hair tutorials, mostly protective styles, but I think I am going to get back into my natural hair content as well. Going to be doing a color change. So there's a lot that's going to be going on in this channel and I don't want you to miss it. So make sure that you subscribe. Let me know what you think of this hair in the comments section below. Are you as obsessed with this hair as I am? I cannot wait to do some different styles with it. I think I might try like a braid out, twist out, or a twist and curl. I might put some wand curls in it or do a flexi rod set. Let me know which style I should do first. You can also pull this hair up and do like a half up, half down style. The weather here in Chicago is kind of been Chicago, and it's been like in the high 70s this week, so we might do a half up, half down. Yeah, who knows? We're definitely gonna style her up. I absolutely love this look. Super cute. It's just giving Beyonce. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I am enjoying this hair. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, and let me know which style you want to see me do next.